right back over the middle, back around one time, rotate the loop over, stop, right over the knot. Surgery has been around for a long time. People have been trying to find ways to mimic and give us a better opportunity to be closer to the real thing. I do two more. When I was a veterinary student, we used carpet padding, and we would be expected to try to suture these things, and the carpet pad was so thick that we could never get them to respond the way we wanted, so we'd get frustrated with it. And it was in 2008, I finally sat down again and said, you know, I've been frustrated about this for a long time now. And we had a donor who was very interested in education, and she gave us some money to practice. That's how it all started. I think one of the challenging pieces for us is that I'm a teacher, educator, surgeon that finds himself in charge of a business. One big challenge is actually looking at what you have on your shelf, on your walls, and having a really good program for that actually makes a big difference.
So we got to take a look at NetSuite and Odoo. The thing that really stood out to me when we did the demos was the ease of use and the modularity of Odoo.
Implementation for us was very, very easy. Everything got ported over so simply, and it was just kind of logging in and plugging in a couple of other things.
Our sales team now, they're able to accurately see how many units of a specific product we have on hand to help reassure the customer when they can expect it.
You can write down things on Excel, you can write it down on a sticky note, but just being able to go in there, select the filter exactly, and then everything just pops up and I can just report my numbers is super helpful.
I appreciate how building a bill of materials with an Odoo is a fairly flexible process.
Before it was, the BOM was really only to let us know kind of how to make it in case something happened. Now it allows us to engage with any increase in price that we see on any component.
That feeds into our other apps very easily. We can change quantities, everything updates, so that as we're actually fulfilling orders, we can understand what our supplier margin is to just make sure that that's maximized as well. The manufacturing process in Odoo is very streamlined.
When we get a new product, I want to double check that it's on the website, getting that barcode done, getting it added to our master list for finished product. I just double check that accessories that are listed, what is needed. So the idea was that if we had someone starting the first day, they would be able to find and do inventory as easy as possible.
Take a look at all of the apps that are available. The system is so modular that it really will do everything that you need it to do. Not just ERP, it's ERP+.